Alright guys, so there we have the 6.0. I was gonna tell you what car is going on, but I'm gonna just tell y'all later on. Just stay tuned. Just know this is the block that's going. She's ready for some juice and some nitrous. Yeah. But yeah, just stay tuned. I'm bringing more content out soon. I've been working the last week and a half on it. I mean, I would go more further, but I have like more trucks and cars to work on. So yeah, there we go. I mean, we're almost through it. So this, I'm gonna put probably a turbo 350 transmission or a turbo 400. Yeah. So I'm gonna finish with this then. I'll tell you about the transmission. But yeah, there we have it. 6.0 block, cast iron. I got the Knox inserts, aluminum heads, 245 springs. Oil pressure sensors are already here ready. I put a new pump. Guess what car is this going on? You gotta stay tuned. But next I'm I'm looking for, I don't know which manifold to get. Thinking about a fast LSX with the nitrous lines already in, or a Holy Sniper. Still haven't decided, but there it is. Stay tuned for more. And then, but guess what car this is going on? I forgot to mention I got a stage 3 comp cam. I put the lifter in already. I need the push rods and I just need the rock arms. I got the valve covers. I painted them gray. But yeah, there we go with this 6.0. It's kind of rainy, but that's a car. I can't really see it, but guess what car it is. And then later on check if you're right. But that's a car, it's covered right now.